Hi, welcome back. I'm Chris and we're still learning French with utter certainty. We saw in our first videos that it's better to start with pronunciation to understand how letters relate to sounds, how words and phrases are pronounced. There are rational rules that explain this in French and that will help you speak better once you know them. And all these are in my course. Without going into too much detail, we use the word language to refer to English and to French, as if we were referring to two different models of cars. To me, French is a lot closer to the traditional definition of a language. It has rigid rules, a clear grammar structure, distinct sounds, and a definite roadmap. This is what makes French so achievable. Very soon, you'll have to understand something called tenses. It's the fact of taking a verb is an action, it's the fact of taking a verb, for example, I run, and changing it to I ran, to make people understand that it happened in the past, present or future. English doesn't function like French does at all. You really have to think in terms of boxes when you learn French. Who is doing what and when? It's always the central question to French. We can't simply say, I, the act of drinking coffee. When is the act of drinking happening? That's what French wants to know. It all depends on the verb and on the tense. If we include all the wisdom of lessons 1 to 4 with this one, it gives us Je bois du café. The reason I'm able to achieve this sentence is because I've assigned the sound E to the word je, as I'm supposed to. And I've assigned the sound wa to the verb bois, as I'm supposed to, and so forth. For each letter, I respected the sound it's supposed to make, which you will find in my course. Je bois means I drink. It signals that I'm presently drinking coffee, or that I drink coffee in general. In the next lesson, we'll talk a bit more about the present tense in French and what it does exactly. I'm Chris from We Communicate. I teach French, and all this and much more is in my course. See you in the next one.